India. The name itself conjures up 1,000 images. Snow-capped mountains pierce the sky. Lush green fields shimmer in the sun. Golden deserts stretch as far as the eye can see. Ancient temples whisper tales of bygone eras. Vibrant cities pulse with life. From the soaring Himalayas to the sun-drenched beaches of the south, India is a land of breathtaking beauty. It is a country where ancient traditions coexist with modern aspirations. A land where every corner holds a new surprise. India is a land of incredible diversity. It is a melting pot of cultures, languages, and religions. This vibrant tapestry of human experience is what makes India truly special. It is a country that never ceases to amaze and inspire. This is India, a land of wonder, a land of diversity, a land of unity. India, a vast subcontinent, sprawls across an impressive 3.28 million square kilometers. Home to over 1.3 billion people, it is the world's largest democracy. This immense nation is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Each state and union territory boasts its own unique character. They are like individual brushstrokes, contributing to the grand masterpiece that is India. The landscape varies dramatically. Towering mountain ranges give way to fertile plains. Arid deserts meet lush green forests. The diversity of India is not just limited to its geography. It extends to its people, their languages, their religions, and their way of life. This incredible variety is what makes India truly special. It is a microcosm of the world, a world within itself. The north of India is a land of majestic mountains and spiritual resonance. The Himalayas, the highest mountain range in the world, dominate the landscape. They stand as eternal sentinels, their snow-capped peaks piercing the sky. The Ganges, India's holiest river, flows through the northern plains. Its waters sustain millions and hold deep religious significance for Hindus. Cities like Varanasi and Haridwar attract pilgrims from across the globe, seeking spiritual solace. The north is a land of ancient cities and rich history. Delhi, the capital city, is a melting pot of cultures. It boasts Mughal-era monuments alongside modern architecture. Rajasthan, the land of Maharajas, captivates with its majestic forts and vibrant culture. From the snow-clad peaks of the Himalayas to the sacred Ganges, North India offers a sensory feast. It is a journey into the heart of India's spiritual heritage and natural grandeur. The western region of India is a land of contrasts. The Thar Desert, a vast expanse of sand dunes, stretches across Rajasthan and Gujarat. Its stark beauty and vibrant culture draw travelers from afar. Along the Arabian Sea coastline lie bustling cities like Mumbai, the financial capital, and Ahmedabad, known for its entrepreneurial spirit. Goa, a former Portuguese colony, entices with its beaches, nightlife, and laid-back vibe. The West is a land of entrepreneurship, Bollywood glamour, and ancient traditions. It is home to the ancient Ajanta and Ellora caves, showcasing exquisite Buddhist art. Gujarat celebrates Navratri with colorful Garba and Dandiya Raas dances. From the golden sands of the Thar Desert to the shimmering waters of the Arabian Sea, West India offers a diverse experience. It is a region where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly. Section 5. Southern Soul Traditions and Transformations. South India is a land of ancient temples, lush backwaters, and vibrant traditions. The states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh each possess a unique cultural tapestry. Temples carved with intricate sculptures stand as testaments to a glorious past. Kerala, known as God's own country, enchants with its serene backwaters and lush greenery. Tamil Nadu is famous for its ancient temples and classical dance forms like Bharatanatyam. Karnataka is home to the majestic Mysore Palace and the ruins of Hampi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The south is also a hub of technology and innovation. Bangalore, known as the Silicon Valley of India, is a thriving center for IT and startups. Chennai, the automobile capital, pulsates with industry and cultural vibrancy. From the ancient temples to the tech hubs, South India offers a captivating blend of tradition and modernity. It is a region where spirituality and innovation go hand in hand. Section 6. Eastern Rhythms, a Symphony of Cultures. Eastern India, comprising West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar, and Jharkhand, is a land of rich heritage and vibrant festivities. Kolkata, the city of joy, is known for its literary heritage, art scene, and Durga Puja celebrations. Odisha, home to the Sun Temple at Konark, is famed for its ancient architectural marvels and Odissi dance form. Bihar, the land where Buddhism originated, attracts pilgrims from across the globe. The East is a region of verdant forests, tribal communities, and ancient traditions. It is home to the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest in the world, teeming with diverse flora and fauna. From the literary cafes of Kolkata to the ancient temples of Odisha, East India offers a journey through history and culture. It is a region where spirituality and artistic expression intertwine. Section 7. Northeastern Whispers, where nature reigns supreme. Northeast India, often referred to as the Seven Sisters, is a land of breathtaking natural beauty and unique tribal cultures. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura boast stunning landscapes, from snow-capped mountains to dense rainforests. The region is home to the one-horned rhinoceros, the red panda, and a wide variety of bird species. Each state has its own distinct tribal communities, each with its own language, customs, and traditions. The Northeast is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts. Trekking, wildlife safaris, and river rafting are popular activities. The region is also known for its handloom textiles, bamboo crafts, and vibrant festivals. From the snow-capped peaks of Arunachal Pradesh to the lush green valleys of Meghalaya, Northeast India is a hidden gem. It is a region where nature reigns supreme and ancient traditions thrive. Section 8. Spiritual Harmony, a confluence of faiths. India is a land of diverse religions and spiritual beliefs. Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Zoroastrianism coexist harmoniously. This spirit of religious tolerance is deeply ingrained in the Indian ethos. Temples, mosques, churches, gurudwaras, monasteries, and fire temples stand as symbols of India's spiritual diversity. People from all faiths come together to celebrate each other's festivals, reflecting the country's syncretic culture. The Indian Constitution guarantees freedom of religion to all its citizens. This secular fabric of India is a source of strength and unity. It is a testament to the country's ability to embrace diversity and foster a spirit of inclusivity. From the ancient Vedic chants to the Islamic call to prayer, India resonates with a symphony of faiths. It is a land where spirituality is a way of life and tolerance is a cherished value. Section 9. India, a symphony of unity in diversity. India, with its incredible diversity, stands as a beacon of unity in a world often divided. It is a land where people from different backgrounds, speaking different languages, and practicing different religions come together as one. This unity and diversity is the essence of India. The national motto, Satyameva Jayate, truth alone triumphs, reflects the country's enduring belief in truth and righteousness. The Indian flag, with its saffron, white, and green stripes, symbolizes courage, peace, and prosperity. The Ashoka Chakra, the Wheel of Law, represents the eternal cycle of life. India's journey since independence has been remarkable. From a nascent democracy, it has emerged as a global power, driven by the aspirations of its billion-plus people. Its ancient wisdom, spiritual heritage, and cultural richness continue to inspire the world. India is not just a country. It is an experience. It is a journey into the heart of humanity, a celebration of diversity, and a testament to the indomitable spirit of its people. If you enjoyed this journey through incredible India, don't forget to like, share, and comment your favorite part. Subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon so you never miss more valuable and amazing videos.